Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a Volvo XC90 with a dead key fob. Place the key fob against the start button, press the brake, and push the start button to engage the ignition. I will walk you through safety checks, locating the contact spot, and a simple stepwise method to get the engine running quickly and safely without replacing the battery first. Start by confirming the XC90 is in park, the parking brake is on, and the gear selector shows P. Remove any distractions and keep the cabin clear of people and pets to maintain safety. Inspect the interior and exterior for nearby hazards and always operate the start procedure with your foot firmly on the brake. These simple precautions let you focus on the starting process without adding risk. Find the start button on the dashboard and make sure your foot is on the brake pedal before you proceed. Hold the dead key fob flat against the start button to allow the car to read the internal chip and then press the button to start. If the car does not respond, reposition the fob slightly and repeat the process a couple more times while keeping pressure on the brake. This usually gets the car started fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.